In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and efficiently print a document using a simple keyboard shortcut. This method is perfect for streamlining your workflow and making printing less of a hassle. Let's dive right in and make sure you've got all the know-how you need to get those documents printed out without fuss. A really useful keyboard shortcut that you might not be aware of is pressing Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. It's a quick and easy way to navigate directly to the printing options of most applications. By doing this, you've instantly prompted your computer to open the print window, saving you the effort of scrolling through menus. This little maneuver can really save you time, especially if you find yourself printing frequently. Once the print window appears, you'll see several options laid out before you. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your desired printer is selected. Typically, this is displayed at the top of the window. Here, you can choose either a physical printer or even a digital one if you're creating a PDF document, for instance. Make sure to select the correct device from the list, as this ensures your document is sent to the right place. It's not uncommon to have multiple options, especially in office settings, so it's worth double checking. Now, let's move on to the print settings, which are crucial for achieving your desired outcome. These settings allow you to control elements like the number of copies you wish to print or whether the document should be printed in color or black and white. You can also adjust the page orientation, which affects whether your document is printed in portrait or landscape mode. Each of these options can dramatically alter the presentation of your printed document, so be sure to select the settings that best fit your needs. An additional feature to consider, which is often found in these options, is the range of pages you want to print. Say you're working with a lengthy document but only need specific sections. You can specify which pages to print, thus saving paper and ink in the process. This can be a genuinely useful feature, particularly if you're managing large volumes of information. Finally, when you're satisfied with all your selections and you feel that everything's in place, go ahead and click on the Print button. This action sends the document off to your chosen printer, and in moments, you should have your freshly printed document ready for use. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to print your documents using the Ctrl plus P shortcut, along with some tips to make sure everything turns out exactly as you need it. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, mastering this quick method will certainly enhance your productivity and ensure you spend less time grappling with documents and more time focusing on what really matters. Happy printing!